Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening a LOL Surprise Clubhouse. This clubhouse set comes with 7 clubhouse spaces. So this is a hammock, and this is a selfie wall, and this is telescope, and this is the tools, slide, bed, beanbag chair, half pipe, table and chairs, arcade games, and a foosball table, and a game board. Let's start unboxing. Open up the sides first. Take off the tape. I already did. And take up the flaps. Take up the bottom flaps. Then you need to take off the other slide tape. Coming open. And over here it says danger zone. I can't wait to see what's in the danger zone. I need to take off. Oh my god, it's so amazing! Yeah. I'm happy to help me get out because it's so hard. So let me. And I have to see what it looks like. I'm so excited. So I think I know what it's time for. So which one should we open first? Should we open the doll, the dream house, or what's in here? I'm very surprised of what's in here, so let me see this one first. Let's open it up. Whoa, it comes with a lot of accessories in here. Let's just dump it all out. Can't believe it. They said it was dangerous to open this stuff. Ooh. So these are the 2 dolls that it comes with. Here's the girl doll. Comes with. And here's the boy doll that it comes with. And here's the game board. And you know what it's ready for? It's time to unbox these ones. Come on, let's unbox these my bag. Oh, it's the slide, the ladder. It's the slide, the ladder. So cute. And let's look behind the slide. And let's look on this side. Okay, ways to get up. And now let's look right here. I'm looking just in case MC Swag was here. Now let's actually draw it up. Let's to the side. And now let's see what we have in this one. You can't wait to see. If you have these game dolls, tell me. And they're LOL game dolls. So let's see what we have in this one. It's so funny how they all have games on it and they all fit so well. It's another gamer. It's another thing. And it says new high score. Can't wait to see how LOL play that. Now let's see what's in this bag. Ooh, it looks like a little hammock. Ooh, I can't wait for one of my dolls to take a nap on here, and I wish I could. So let's open up this one. Ooh, one yellow chair. My dolls would love to sit on that. Let's see what's in here. Can't wait. Feels like a beanbag toy. So let's open it up. This one. Ooh, I don't know what it is. Let's see through it. So let's see. It's a cute table. Look at the table. It's all different colors. Ooh, nice. And it almost like matches with the beanbag chair. So let's see what's in it. It all has like game bags. This is my favorite. Now we have our orange inside chair. Let's open the one. Ooh. This is where all the tools are going to be at. Ooh, look at these glasses. They look good for him. Can't wait when he gets out. Let's see. We'll see how it looks on him. Ooh. I have one little sippy cup. Ooh. Looks like it has a drink in there. Down. And here is a wrench. Cute little wrench. Can't wait to see someone use it. And we can put it inside of here. Okay. Let's see what's in here. It's a big one. Oh, it is a chair. Ooh, nice and relaxing. If I was LOL, I'll relax on there. And we have another water bottle. These water bottles look like they're for them. Let's see what's in here. It is, ooh, some gas. The gas at the car. So let's open up this one. In here. Now we have the tweezer. So let's put it in here with the wrench. So let's open this one. It's a video game player, so you can play the video game. Wonder what video game it's for. Ooh, look like her hat. Here's the telescope, and I'm gonna try to look through there. Ooh, I can see things through there. Very cool. It's a skateboard. So glittery. And it said stuff on the back. It's black glitter. So pretty. Now we have a hammer. So let's put it in our, put it with our other things. So should we open the dolls next? Or should we open the clubhouse next? I think we should open the clubhouse. Here's all my accessories. here is our glitz. And here is our switch baby. So let's put on Switch Baby's hat that says girl power. And let's put on his glasses. Ooh, looks a little too big. And here looks up with his glasses. Let's open up the doll hat. So step one, slide across. So you have to slide it this way. Slide under it. Let's check what's inside the mold. Ooh, look like inside here we have a poster. Oh, we have some surprises in here. Let's take them out. Let's get the surprises out. So we have one surprise, surprises, and 3 surprises anymore. So here's the half pipe. So let's open up this one. Here's the football table. And now let's see what's inside of this one. Here's the bed. Let's make the bed up. So here's the bed fully made up. So now let's see what's inside of here. So now let's see what's inside of here. What's inside of there? Let me take this apart so you can see what's inside of everything. So here's how it looks. This is right here. And you see right here it says trash. Right here says and right here is the recycle. And let's turn this over. And look what we have, a game board. So now let's put up the top. Now I need the board. So let's put the yellow in here so that we can put up our stuffy wall. It's up. So now let's put on our hammock. So our hammock's done. So let's pull the one out. And pull the other one. So now I can start doing the accessories. I'm gonna go around and push it back so everyone can see. So the beanbag chair goes here. The beanbag chair goes here. And then this chair over here. So the game room is down here. Then the bed is right here. Right here. Where the bed goes. So up here is where the tools go. And the telescope goes here. And then the chair table. The other chair goes here. The football table is not supposed to go inside, it's supposed to go outside. And then the part where you ski down over here. Then we have to put like the slide. And that was. So then you can put the remote controller right here. And then the skateboard goes right over here. So I'm just going to put the dolls' places. And put their water bottles on the table. And just put his sunglasses right down. And here's the ladder, so I just put it on here. So that you can climb up to the top. I hope you guys like me unboxing the LOL Clubhouse. Make sure to put a like and subscribe.